Hi, I'm Bill from Eckler's. Today we're going to give you a closer look at this two-row aluminum radiator fitting your 1955 through 1957 Chevy. If your 55 through 57 Chevy is making a little more power than stock, or you live in a very hot climate, this two-row performance aluminum radiator is going to be an excellent choice. This will be a direct replacement for the factory radiator, but it is slightly larger, so do make sure you have proper clearance. Now you will need 6 3/4 inch clearance between the water pump and the radiator for proper clearance, and it may require some modifications to the actual radiator support. But again, it's designed to fit in the factory location and resemble a factory radiator while offering the performance benefits of a two-row aluminum radiator. This will have the correct inlet and outlet, and again, be a fairly simple installation. This radiator is constructed of 100% TIG-welded aluminum and is a two-row design featuring larger cores for maximum cooling. Now this will fit all 55 to 57 Chevys and will work with both your manual or automatic transmission.